Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Unlocked. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. English for social situations, making friends.
Making new friends can be fun, but also a little scary, especially if you're not sure what to say. But don't worry, we'll guide you through it.
That's right. We'll teach you common phrases, questions, and tips to help you feel confident when meeting new people.
Let's get started with the basics. How to introduce yourself.
When you meet someone new, the first step is a simple introduction. Here are a few ways to introduce yourself.
You can say, "Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?" "Hello, I don't think we've met. I'm Jake."
It's a good idea to smile and make eye contact. This helps you appear friendly and approachable.
Yes, let's practice a quick conversation.
Hi, I'm Jake. What's your name?
"Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Jake."
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Easy, right? Now let's move on to asking questions to keep the conversation going.
After introductions, asking questions is a great way to show interest. Try these simple questions. You could ask, "Where are you from? What do you do for fun? Do you like music? What kind?" Open-ended questions work best because they encourage longer answers. For example,
Instead of asking, "Do you like sports?" you could say, "What sports do you enjoy?"
let's practice a short conversation using these questions.
So, where are you from, Jake?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from Manchester. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading and playing football. What about you?
I enjoy painting and watching movies.
See? Asking questions makes the conversation flow.
While asking questions is important, it's also nice to share things about yourself. This helps the other person know you better.
When someone asks you a question, give a little detail in your answer. For example,
Instead of just saying, "I like music," you could say, "I love music, especially pop and jazz."
let's try it.
What do you like to do on weekends, Jake?
On weekends, I like hiking and trying new recipes. How about you?
I usually spend time with friends or explore new cafes.
Adding small details makes your answers more interesting and keeps the conversation going.
Finding something you both enjoy can help build a friendship. If you discover a shared hobby, it gives you something to talk about.
Here are some phrases to find common interests. I love movies. Do you have a favorite film? I'm a big fan of football. Do you watch it?
Let's practice.
I enjoy reading mystery novels. How about you?
Me too. I love a good mystery book. Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I really like Agatha Christie.
When you find a common interest, the conversation becomes more fun and natural.
Ending a conversation in a polite way is important, especially if you want to talk again later. Here are some useful phrases. You could say, "It was great talking to you. Let's chat again soon. Nice to meet you. Hope we can catch up later."
Well, it was nice talking to you, Jake. I hope we can talk again soon.
Same here, Emma. Take care.
Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for making friends.
First, be friendly and open. People like being around positive energy.
Second, listen carefully. When you listen, it shows that you care.
Third, be patient. Friendships take time to grow.
And finally, be yourself. Genuine friendships start when you are true to who you are.
Here are a few more tips. Try joining clubs or groups that match your interests. Don't be afraid to start small talk. It can lead to deeper conversations. Be a good listener and show that you value what others say. Follow up. If you enjoy talking to someone, suggest meeting again.
And remember, even if it feels a bit scary at first, every friendship starts with a simple hello.
That's all for today's episode of English Unlocked. We hope you feel more confident using English to make new friends.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.